Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access display. After that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. This way you will turn it off or on. You can also go into Tab menu and look for Lock Orientation shortcut. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, click on Gray shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!